Hello watchers, this is Junix. Welcome to my channel. So yun guys, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa mangrove paddle boat para makita yung iba't ibang klaseng mangrove dito sa Puerto Princesa. So, hantayin lang namin yung iba naming mga kasama. Inaantay lang namin yung bangka na sasakyan namin and ikutin namin itong buong mangrove area.
Meanwhile,
guys, start na ng aming mangrove paddle boat with some tourists.
a few inches later.
Welcome to Palawan, sir. Welcome. We are not like the guys who takes you from the city up here. These guys are professional. They had finished their 4 years. There's a monitor lizard. There. Kita niyo. We have mud crabs, mud lobsters, shrimps, crayfish, prawns. But no fishing on here.
Oh, there's another snake.
Yeah. Okay.
This mangrove forest, it serves also as sanctuary of wildlife. As we seen the monitor lizards, the snake, we have also monkeys, the long-tailed macaque monkey, squirrels, and also birds. But since they are wildlife or wild in the forest, we cannot promise you that they are always here. We can see them every tree. Yeah. Yes. Even feeding them are not allowed for us. But don't worry if there's no available monkey around. I'm here to replace them. Then we do this because we believe that we must protect nature. Actually, it's not for us anymore. It's for those next generation.
So yun guys, katatapos lang namin mangrove boat. So after this, kakain naman na kami ng aming lunch.
A few moments later.
After sa mangrove, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Gusto Grill and Resto dahil dito kami magtitik ng lunch namin. And then after ng lunch, pupunta na kami sa Underground River. So yung lunch na to is kasama sa package na in-avail namin.
Many minutes later.
So ngayon guys, pupunta na kami sa port. Yan, kung nakikita nyo yung likod na yan, diyan kami pupunta para sumakay ng boat. Papunta naman na patawid sa Underground River.
Meanwhile,
So yun guys, dito tayo sasakay ng ating bangka.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데
Many minutes later.
I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Underground River, pero inaantay lang namin yung mga kasama namin ngayon. Yung isang boat na kagrupo namin dahil dalawang bangka yung hinati kami sa dalawang bangka dahil hindi kasya, dahil 6 or hanggang 8 lang yung allowed sa bangka para hindi lumubog. So inatay namin yung iba naming kagrupo. So in a while, pupunta na kami sa Underground River.
Meanwhile.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lip.
So yun guys, walkathon now, papunta sa Underground River. Ayan ang aking mga kasama.
Blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, nah. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now.
So guys, nandito na kami sa Underground and waiting lang kami ng turn namin sa bangka. And yan, fall in line again for today's video.
Meanwhile,
People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Some are lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you.
a few moments later.
It's not so bad.
Kala mo talagang tangkod eh. Makabong.
So this is it guys, dito na tayo sa Underground River, papasok na tayo sa cave.
Meanwhile,
First time?
Yes.
Congratulations and good luck. Yeah, but first time me also.
Oh, good luck to us.
Congratulations. And by the way, all of you, so I'm your key tour guide, so my name is Mon. And I will be paddling the boat within 4 to 5 minutes from inside the cave. So enjoy the moment for any rock formation. Okay, so good morning everybody.
Good morning. Our dream is over now.
Yeah, indeed.
In our right side, so those are people like us.
Who survive?
Good luck, challengers. Hope you will make it. And now everyone, so I can reminders all of you, before you go down later, just let me go down first, okay? Then when you go down, just only left side, not right side. Yeah, because left side is, we call that the best safe side. And our right side, we call that suicide.
Ano pa lang yan? 1 kilometer.
Many minutes later.
So yun guys, natapos na ang aming underground river. So balik na kami sa aming hotel. Pero babiyahin muna uli ng bangka papabalik sa port. And then sakay uli ng van going to our hotel.